got new wheel bearings for his STI, and they're the rear ones, right?
Yeah,
Just the rear ones. Over time, they've just gotten worse. And on the last LA trip, I guess on the way back, he couldn't even listen to music with how bad it is. So today we're heading over to Javi's shop, and he's gonna be, I guess, teaching us. The rears, you have to use a press to do them.
It's not a hub like the front.
Yeah. So you have to actually take them out. And we don't have a press, we don't have tools to do that. So we're gonna head over to Javi's shop and kind of just watch him do it and learn. Why you scared, Hongo? Huh? Why you scared?
There's two of them in there.
We just made it to Javi's shop. We're pulling up right now. There he is.
What's up, Javi?
What's up, Javi?
They locked that fucking truck and the keys won't open it, so I gotta figure out how to move it.
Let's just push it off, dude.
Push it off.
You ready to hear them crack side skirts?
Yeah.
You have to drill this out to get the
keyhole?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't even open it.
Really? Not even with the latch?
I got it jammed. I don't know what I did. But this is open.
Come with the seals and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. So this can go two ways. Hopefully the first way works.
Just go, just go.
That hurt my soul.
Oh shit.
The
BFB,
BFB.
big fucking bolt. The big fucking bolt. And usually this is the one that's a pain in the ass to get out.
Ongo and I are watching this happen, and we don't have any of these tools.
So this is like the fancy. This is like the name brand, OTC. It's a front wheel drive, front wheel bearing adapter set or puller set. I'm gonna try and use this so I don't have to take the hub off, and Ongo doesn't have to get a realignment. So hopefully this should come out pretty easy. But you can get that at Harbor Freight.
Dude, even if he had this, I probably still wouldn't know how to do it.
Even if what?
At least we're learning how to do it.
If I can get this out with this, then it's gonna be a lot easier, and I don't have to mess with the.
Yo, you got it.
You got it.
How do you know when they're bad?
Doesn't look too bad, but sometimes, like, if you pull it out, you'll see like score marks and scratches and pinholes, or it's just really, it's all dried up, so then you can see like little holes.
So old one is finally out. Time to put the new one back in. Look at this, Javi.
So this thing broke, and when I put it in there, it like crunched it, and it's not letting the bearings sit right, so that's why it.
So that's what happened on this side, and as you can see, when you try and spin it, it's like really hard. It kind of like fights you. The good thing is that Javi ordered that piece already, and it should be here within the next couple of hours. We can get that replaced. In the meantime though, he is finishing up the second side. Oh yeah, you can hear that way more, huh?
This is a bad one.
Oh yeah, this thing spins way better, huh?
Yeah, and it has a little bit of resistance, but see how it's smooth?
Yeah, the whole way around.
Yeah.
He's gonna put that truck in there first. Okay.
Chino came down because we're actually going to be installing his new diffuser on his STI. So this is Chino's new diffuser, and how long ago did you order this? 3 months ago. You would expect it being in the US that it'd be shipped out within like 2 weeks. And literally ordered
this diffuser a week after I ordered my grill. That came straight from Japan.
Came from Japan.
Came from Japan, and then the grill came like a month earlier. This is it. Pre-drilled already.
So this is how it looks. It's mocked up. Mira. Breaking it already. Finally, Hongos wheel bearing is here. Now Javi can go ahead and finish up Hongos' car, and we have a diffuser to install. For as long as it's been, are you excited to install it?
Dude, I don't know. I feel like
whatever now.
Yeah, honestly.
So it's a 3-month wait for this diffuser, and we just noticed that it didn't even come with brackets. It's supposed to come with brackets, but they didn't send them out. So we're gonna head over to an Ace Hardware that's pretty nearby. We're gonna try and see if we can find those to install it. If not, then it's gonna have to wait. Hopefully they have them here, Chino.
The perfect thing.
Is it actually? Oh yeah, because it's like flexible, huh? Nice. Yeah. Back at the shop. Hopefully this works and we can get the diffuser installed today. I think it should.
The one in the front's like, it's an ice wall.
Yeah?
Yeah, look at it. I don't even know, like, I never sit on it.
So it looks like this diffuser is pretty easy to install. It has all the holes pre-drilled already. I'd help you, Hongo, but it looks like you got this under control.
Good thing there's 2 sides. Hey,
What?
do it right if you're gonna do it.
I just want to thank you for doing all this for me, Hongo.
Yeah.
Now that the 2 side pieces are on, we have to make brackets for the rear of the diffuser that bolts up to the spare tire well. And I think that's where this comes in. We're just gonna bend it, put one to here, one to the top, and then put a screw in, Hongo.
Because you have to drill into your bumper.
Yeah. Let's just do the brackets, you know?
Because you could just leave it like that.
Yeah, and put the
It's
brackets.
pretty sturdy, right? Like shake it?
Let's just
Yeah,
put
see
the-
that
let's just
that'll
put the
get
brackets.
fixed with the bracket.
How long did it take us? Like 30 minutes?
Took you 30 minutes.
Yeah, me. You guys didn't do anything.
Well, technically, Chino was supposed to help.
Yeah, but he took charge.
I had nothing to do with this.
Hell, he took charge.
You walked away.
I'm okay with that. You know, I love a man that can take charge.
Diffuser is installed, and Chino decided not to run these because, first of all, they don't really fit. Like, it doesn't make sense. And it won't clear the till May either.
Is the jack gonna clear?
Huh? So that's how it looks from the back. Super aggressive. I actually really like it though. Looks good. Good job, Chino.
Thank you, Hongo.
Hongo? Good shit.
Remember what happened last time you tried to play fight?
Round 1. Fight!
Hit the eyes roll.
Finish him! Flawless victory!
You like it?
Yeah, it looks hella savage.
Is that better?
That looks good. Hongo's car is almost finished, but while Javi finishes that up, we're gonna take some pictures of the new diffuser. Now that we're all done shooting, Chino wants to launch his car. He says he's gotten real good at it. We're gonna have to see. That was pretty good. That was actually pretty good. It's pretty good.
Yeah, let me see it.
No more road noise.
Made, but
guys are probably wondering what was going on, and this is what Javi did. So what was avoiding Hongo from going fender to lip was that the axle would hit the chassis of the car right here. So what Javi did was he cut out as far as you can go up until you get to the frame. And you just cut around the axle. So now the axle will actually clear this part right here, and Hongo will be able to go lower.
No, and it's against my religion. But Hongo takes all the shit talking like a good sport, so I gotta do it.
All right, Javi just finished off the second side. Now Hongo tomorrow can adjust his bag and go lower. And we'll show you guys that probably next video.
Next video, probably prep for Subi Fest.
Yeah, and then we'll see you in Super Fest. See you guys next time. Peace.